If you're over 50 and money is tight, I need you to hear me clearly. You are not too old, you are not too late, and you are definitely not out of options. A lot of people hit this stage of life and feel trapped, like the only jobs left are low-paying, humiliating, or impossible to get. But that is not true. There are still real jobs that value reliability, patience, people skills, and life experience. And sometimes, the thing that gets you back on your feet is not the perfect career. It is the next solid paycheck.
1. Customer service representative. This is one of the best places to start because companies always need calm, patient people who know how to talk to human beings. And that matters more than people think. A lot of younger workers can move fast, but they cannot always handle frustrated customers without melting down. If you're older, steady, and know how to de-escalate a situation, that is valuable. Some of these jobs are in offices, some are in stores, and some are remote. If you can speak clearly, stay organized, and solve simple problems, this can be a fast way back into the workforce. 2. Receptionist or front desk worker. This job fits a lot of people over 50 because it rewards something you already know how to do. Show up, stay polite, stay organized, and keep things moving. Doctor's offices, dental clinics, hotels, apartment buildings, repair shops, and local businesses all need someone who can answer phones, greet people, and keep the day from falling apart. It's not flashy, but it's steady. And when money is tight, steady matters. 3. Administrative assistant. If you're the kind of person who keeps lists, remembers appointments, follows up, and notices details, this can be a strong fit. A lot of businesses still need dependable admin help, even part-time. And sometimes the job is less about fancy software and more about being the person who keeps the place functioning. Older workers often do well here because they already understand responsibility. They don't need somebody watching over them every 5 minutes. 4. Virtual assistant. This is a good option if you want to work from home and you're comfortable with email, calendars, scheduling, and basic computer tasks. Small business owners, coaches, real estate agents, and online creators often need somebody to manage the little things that pile up. The reason this can work well after 50 is simple: maturity. People want someone reliable, not someone who disappears for 3 hours and says they were locked in creatively. 5. School bus driver. A lot of people overlook this one, but it can be a smart move. It gives structure, predictable hours, and often leaves part of the day open. If you like routine and don't mind early mornings, this can be a solid job. And in a world where everything feels uncertain, predictable income can calm your whole nervous system. 6. Shuttle driver. Hotels, hospitals, car dealerships, airports, and senior communities need drivers. If you have a clean driving record and you're comfortable being around people, this can be a practical way to earn. For some people over 50, driving others around feels a lot less stressful than standing on their feet all day in retail. It's simple work, but simple is not the same as bad. Simple can save you. 7. Caregiver or companion. This one is personal. A lot of people over 50 already have caregiving skills because life forced them to learn them. You helped a parent, a spouse, a relative, a neighbor. You already know how to be patient, observant, and kind when somebody is vulnerable. That experience counts. And while this work can be emotionally heavy, it can also be meaningful and steady. For some people, it becomes income built from compassion they already carry.
9. Tutor. If you are good at math, reading, writing, grammar, science, or even test prep, tutoring can be one of the most underrated ways to earn. You do not need to be a former classroom teacher to help somebody learn. You just need patience and the ability to explain things clearly. And here is the hidden advantage older adults have. You do not usually rush people. You know how to slow down and teach without making someone feel stupid. 10. Substitute teacher or classroom aide. Schools constantly need dependable adults, not perfect adults, dependable ones. People who can show up, keep order, communicate clearly, and not panic when things get loud. If you have patience and decent people skills, this can be a good path. It also works for people who like the idea of helping without needing to build a whole new career from scratch. 11. Data entry clerk. If you are detail-oriented and comfortable on a computer, data entry can be a realistic option. It is quiet work, usually repetitive, not glamorous at all. But if you like working behind the scenes and you want something task-based, it can fit. This is especially appealing for people who would rather not deal with constant face-to-face stress. 12. Medical records specialist. This is one of those jobs a lot of people don't think about, but it can be a smart move. Healthcare offices always have paperwork, coding, records, and systems that need accurate people. If you're willing to learn a little and maybe get a short certificate depending on the role, this can open the door to more stable office-based work. It's one of those jobs that feels boring until you realize boring can pay your rent. 13. Bookkeeper. If you're naturally careful with numbers, bills, receipts, and keeping things straight, bookkeeping can be a strong option. Small businesses need help tracking money. They don't all need a big accountant. Sometimes they just need somebody honest who can keep their books clean. And when you're over 50, honesty is part of your value. People trust someone who looks like they take responsibility seriously. 14. Tax preparer. This can be seasonal, but seasonal money is still money. And for some people, tax work becomes repeat business year after year. If you're willing to learn the system, take some training, and help people through something stressful, this can become reliable income during tax season. It also works well for people who are organized and don't mind detail-heavy work. 15. Security guard. This job makes sense for a lot of older adults because not every security role is about chasing somebody down. Many positions are really about observation, presence, reporting, and helping maintain order. Somebody calm, mature, and alert can be a great fit here. Sometimes people respect age in these roles because age naturally carries authority. 16. Retail associate. I know some people hear retail and immediately tune out. But listen, when money is tight, a job that hires fast can matter more than a job that sounds better. Retail can bring in money quickly, especially during busy seasons. And if you're good with people, reliable, and willing to work, it can be a bridge job while you build towards something better. Don't let pride make you reject a paycheck you need. 17. Cashier at a grocery store or local shop. This is another fast entry job that can help when the pressure is immediate. A lot of stores value older workers because they tend to be punctual, polite, and less likely to create drama. And sometimes what you need is not forever money, it's breathing room money. That matters too.
18. Pet sitter or dog walker. If you like animals and want something more flexible, this can work surprisingly well. People pay good money for somebody trustworthy to walk dogs, check on pets, or stay with animals while they travel. What makes this fit over 50 is trust. People are not just hiring you to feed a dog, they are trusting you with their home, keys, schedule, and peace of mind. 19. Child care helper or nanny. A lot of families want somebody mature, not just energetic, mature. Someone who knows how to keep children safe, stay patient, and communicate clearly with parents. If you have raised children, helped with grandchildren, or simply have a calm presence, this can be a very practical lane. And when families find someone they trust, they often hold on tight. 20. House cleaner or home organizer. This may not sound exciting, but it can become dependable money fast. Busy families, older adults, and working professionals often need help cleaning, decluttering, or organizing their homes. If you are physically able and do solid work, referrals can build quickly. Some of the best income starts with work other people do not feel like doing. 21. Senior errand helper or personal assistant. This one is simple but powerful. There are older adults who need rides, grocery help, prescription pickup, paperwork help,
basic tech help, and somebody dependable to make life easier. In other words, there are people who need exactly what many over 50 workers already know how to do. This kind of work can start small. One client, a few hours, a little cash. Then another person hears about you. Then another. And sometimes the thing that saves your finances starts as something incredibly ordinary.